Good afternoon, everyone. Sorry it's been a while since we've had a video out. I have been sick for over a month with bronchitis, and I just recently got my voice back. But I do have good news. We have surpassed 450 subscribers. So the next two videos that I'm going to be putting out, I'm going to be telling you how you can get in on the free merchandise that we're going to be giving away. Now there's only going to be 3 winners. We're going to be giving away one of our hats, one of our shirts, and plus our mug, our cock-a-doodle-doo-don't mug. It's basically a mug to tell people don't mess with you in the morning till you have your first cup of coffee or tea. But that will be in the next few videos. I'll explain how we're going to do that once I kind of figure out how I'm going to do that. Yeah.
Let's see what I was looking for. There we go.
I'm guessing this is the back part.
Yeah. All your screws, latches, and everything are here, and they're labeled and numbered so you know which ones are which.
I'm just curious about something real quick. That's side table.
Yep. Oh, more paper.
Good night. That thing is huge.
They'll walk away.
Ah, the paper's gone.
You know what I do with it? Ain't going nowhere now. There we go. That's instructions.
Now, please get up.
Why?
Well, one, the screws right there.
Ain't no need to flip it over. I got instructions right here.
Yeah, but I also want the picture.
is actually part 2 of the first video, and the reason why is because we had shot everything yesterday on our camera. It was going great, the footage was great, but the batteries went out. So Travis went in and got the other camera, and I started shooting footage with that. Well, I'm a nitwit because I shot all that on pause, and needless to say, got no footage of the boys putting this beautiful coop up. I never did say I was, you know, all there, but at least I admit when I'm wrong. So, I want to thank you again for keeping up with us and all the prayers and everything that was sent to me when I was really sick. So, until the next video, have a great night. Wanted to show you our new chicken coop. It's really, really cute. It's got this little door on the front. This right here feels like it's hardware cloth. I mean, it's strung like hardware cloth. It's just got a plastic coating over it. And then we have, once again, I can't get it open. Thank you, Matthew. Then, and that's not the coop, that's the operator air there. We've got the coop in air. There's the nesting boxes back there. There's a window right above it. And then you got this right here. This is the tray. You can pull it out. We don't have the handles on it yet, which we will be putting in. But you pull it out, and it just makes it a whole lot easier to actually clean the chicken coop itself. We also have a sweet little door here. Tiny little thing that leads down to the ramp for the chickens. And this is a chicken run. Now, this is actually going to come in handy because we are going to be putting a 10 by 10 foot dog fencing around the chicken coop to make it more secure. But while the inside of the dog kennel itself is cleaned out, then they can stay in this little area right here. Now there is plats underneath it that we put to keep it off the ground for right now.